Lovely people, Couponer Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome to all the new subscribers or the new lovely people that decided to join the coupon crew, okay? I appreciate you guys so very much. If you are a new couponer or if you have any coupon questions, make sure you leave it in the comments below of the video. We will try to answer those. Isn't that right, coupon crew? I have the best coupon crew, okay? My friends will try to help you if you don't understand something. That's what I love about this coupon community, all right? Let's jump into this Ibotta haul. I did some Ibotta shopping, guys, and I hope you've seen my short video that I posted about Ibotta trying to woo me back, honey. They trying to get me back because they gave me a treasure chest bonus. I've got to do 22 rebates to get 10 bucks. They know how to get me. I'm about to do it when these rebates reset, okay? So let's jump into the haul. First rebate I decided to do was on the Ocean Spray. Now, the Ocean Spray is a flavored cranberry, pineapple, and passion fruit. All right, I think that's going to be tasty. Hopefully it is. It was priced $2.98. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store, but there is a $1 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.98. The next rebate I decided to do was on the soft soap. Now, this is a new bottle. It's a 13 ounce. For this rebate, it must be the 13 ounce ones. This is called Smoky Warmth. The reason why I like this one is Velvet Jasmine with Sandalwood. I love sandalwood scents. Price $2.78. I did not have a coupon. You could possibly go on softsoap.com and see if they have any coupons there, but I did not. This was a decide in the store purchase. So I paid $2.78 in store. I got back $1 from Ibotta, and there is also any soap rebate for 10 cents that attached to this as well, giving me an additional 10 cents, making the final cost $8.68. So I'm excited to try that. The next rebate I decided to do was on my little ranch packs. This time I got the dips mix. Okay, now for this rebate, you must purchase the 2 packs. There were $1.74 each. That was a total cost of $3.58 for the 2. Now, I did have a $1 coupon that I printed off of coupons.com. That dropped my cost down to $2.58 in store. Now, the rebate is only 25 cents for the 2, but I was going to purchase this anyway because I like to make a ranch chicken dish with this. Made my final cost for these $2.33, but I was going to buy them anyway, guys. So every little bit helps. If you're going to buy it anyway, see if you got a rebate. Next rebate I decided to get, guys, was the Suavitel. Suavitel smells so good. Suavitel dryer sheets. This is the Suavitel Complete. This is 70 sheets, guys. Now, this was priced $2.97 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon. I paid $2.97 in store. There is a $1 coming back from Ibotta. $1 rebate, making the final cost $1.97. Now, I did not have a lot of dryer sheets. If you notice in my stockpile update video, boop, I'll pop it up there so you guys can see it. All right. And yeah, I need to get that stock back up. Okay. I need to work on that. Next rebate, guys, I decided to get was my Renews It scent cones. Okay, the little scent cones are priced 97 cents each. For this rebate, you must purchase the 3 for a total of $2.91. I did not have a coupon. There may be one out there. You can check Coupon Tom, which is linked in the description box of this video. The cost in store was $2.91. Got $1 back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.91. Okay, if there is a coupon out there, I don't know, but you can check Coupon Tom. This was an unplanned purchase as well. I know, y'all. I was just flying off the seat of my pants with this rebate deal here. All right. The next thing that I was a little upset about is these stupid avocados. Okay. I'm just going to say it. They stupid avocados because I don't eat avocados. Okay. My kids eat avocados and I think my husband eats them. But I had got to the car. I wasn't even planning on buying this many rebates. This was so funny. I got to the car and realized I had gotten 14 rebates and I needed 15 to get my weekend warrior. And I was like, you got to be kidding. I ain't coming back to Walmart tomorrow. Okay. So I was like, let me just go back in the store and just get something. Everything I wanted to get, they didn't have. Okay. So I ended up getting these stupid avocados from Mexico. And it says on there, if it will focus, it says avocado. Hold on a minute. I put my readers on. Y'all know how I do. I gotta see. It says product of Mexico. Okay, what's the problem? All right. For this rebate, you must purchase 3. Was not taking the receipt. I put a ticket in. They're going to give me my darn money back because I ain't playing. I ain't buying stuff that I don't need. It's just stupid. 3 avocados, 88 cents each, $2.64. That's what I had to pay in store. Obviously, didn't have any coupons. This is listed under the produce section of Ibotta. 50 cents is what it was supposed to be giving me back for these doggone things, making a final cost $2.14. We're going to roll with that, considering we don't know what Ibotta going to do, but I'm speaking well of them. They going to give me my money back because I ain't playing with them. Next rebate I decided to do was my degree, okay? Have you noticed that degree decides to give us a lot more degree for our money now? Okay, that's wonderful. $5.47. I had a $2coupons.com coupon that I used in store, making my cost be $3.47. $2 came back from Ibotta, making this be an amazing deal. And if you upload your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you have this particular rebate on your Fetch account, you'll get $2 back from Fetch as well, making this body wash be absolutely free and a 53-cent money maker. Great deal. My last Ibotta haul, I missed that, and my friend Tiffany brought that to my attention, so I'll let you guys know. So don't forget about Fetch, okay? All right. Next rebate I decided to get was my all laundry detergent. Great deal. This is the free and clear. $3.47 in my Walmart. $1.50 coupon that I used out of the 220 save insert. That's actually this coming Sunday, but I get my coupons early. Okay. Made the cost in store be $1.97. There's 2 Ibotta rebates that is attaching to this. My rebate for the all free and clear is $1.50, and then the blue all is also attaching for 50 cents, guys. That's up to you if you want to let both of them roll. I do, because it makes it free, okay? And a 3-cent money maker. So y'all know how I feel about free and darn near free. I ain't said that in a long time. Free and darn near free. We doing that over here. Next rebate I decided to do was the Mountain Dew, okay? Y'all know I'm on this water challenge. Where my water at? Where my water at? I'm trying, y'all. We're going to do it today, though. I'm doing my water, but I have really slacked on my sodas. Okay, but it's okay. I got a basket in my pantry. I'm dropping them in. So next time I have movie night, it's going to be lit over here because I got all the snacks. It's always lit at my house because I always got the snacks. Y'all know I got a snack door in my pantry. Boop, there go the video. All right, guys. Now, the Mountain Dew was $1.98. Can y'all tell I like talking to y'all? $1.98. I didn't have a coupon for this, so I had to pay $1.98 in store. Now there is 25 cents coming back from Ibotta. I know, sis, that's small, but it's okay. $1.73. See, because it's about to get hot. Y'all about to be doing them cookouts, and your family gonna be like, yeah, we love going to her cookout because she had her 20-ounce sodas. She don't give us cans, she give us bottles. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Fanta. I do like the Fanta as well. It's priced $1.98. Didn't have a coupon, had to pay $1.98. 60 cents coming back for this one, making it be $1.38. That's always amazing. The next rebate I decided to do was on my, y'all know what I'm talking about. Carbona need to reach out to Crystal because I keep repping them in my videos because they have an amazing product, okay? I'm just telling y'all. Now, this is the Carbona Stain Devils. This one that I got this time was the fat and cooking oil, okay? Crystal is always dropping eat out food on her clothes. I got to get it out. All right, so this was priced $2.38. No coupon. Had to pay $2.38 in store, but there's $1 coming back from my bottom, making the final cost $1.38. You know why I love this product? Because number one, it is a good product. It actually works, but it's economical, okay? Because, you know, usually stain lifter and stain product items are a little pricey, but I think this is a good deal and it's stain specific. That's what I love about this, because usually when you look at the other stain lifters, they're not, you know, formulated to do specific stains. That's what I love about that. Okay. Hit me up, Carbona. I'm repping you. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Quaker instant oatmeal. This is apples and cranberry. I got this one because the lady was stocking and I didn't want to feel like reaching over her. No coupon, had to pay 98 cents in store, 35 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost 63 cents. Now, I also had any receipt, guys, for 10 cents. That was cool. And I got this doggone Mountain Dew Spark. We got to talk about this. Okay, I got this again. And I was kind of in my feelings. All right, I was kind of in my feelings. I'm going to tell you why. $3.98. I know everybody else is saying theirs is like 5 something in their store. Mine is not on rollback. The actual tag on the shelf says $3.98. Now, if they ain't got sense enough to change it, I got sense enough to keep telling them you ringing up at the wrong price. Because when you scan it, it scans for $5.28. Who is doing that? I ain't paying $5.28 for some soda that I don't even know if I'm like. All right, so $3.98 is what it says on the shelf. So when I do self-checkout or somebody rings me up, it doesn't matter. I tell them this is the wrong price and I show them the picture and they go on and change it. Okay, they need to go change their shelf, but I keep going to my same store and they ain't changed it. That ain't my fault. So I paid $3.98. $2 is coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.98. All right, this the thing. There is that fetch rebate on there, and that fetch rebate, the way I read it, I just understood like I thought I was going to get it again, and apparently they said no. So I don't know if they want me to get the 0 one or they want me to get another thing in a 20 ounce, you know, like the 20 ounce. It doesn't matter because I'm not gonna keep buying it just to get that little bit of $2 or whatever it's gonna be. So it's just gonna be like whatever. I'm cool with the $1.98 because like I told y'all, it's gonna be lit for movie night over here at the Chateau Franklin. So let's get these numbers cleared up. The total of everything was $38, guys. I only had $4.50 in actual coupons, not too many. So if you're new to using the Ibotta app, don't feel deterred because you don't have a lot of coupons, because as you see, I didn't have a lot. All of the coupons were printed from coupons.com except the insert coupon for the everything else is coupons.com. Just saying. All right, so that dropped my cost to $33.50 in store is what I had to pay. What I got back from Ibotta was $12.75 in rebates. And I got the Weekend Warrior. I accomplished that. I got $3 for that bonus. I had to do 15 rebates. That dropped my cost to $17.75. Now, I did upload my receipt to Fetch, and Fetch gave me $2.10, so the equivalent $2.10, and that was basically for the degree and a few points for the other items, some of the other items. Made my cost be $15.65 for this haul, or 92 cents per item. Not too shabby, right? I don't think so. Heck, I got laundry stuff. I got free laundry stuff. So you know what? We not hating on that. And Crystal gets to try her new products. I got 2 new products. I got the soft soap and I got this ocean spray juice. So I'm super excited about it. If you never heard of Ibotta, I will make sure that I link that video right here so you guys can go check out my Ibotta instruction video that I did some time ago. I probably need to do an update, but it's basically the same information, okay? All right, if you are not a member of the Coupon Crew, subscribe to this channel. I would love for you to join us on this couponing journey. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell for notifications. And I will be checking in with you guys later to see how you're doing with the water challenge. We being hydrated over here, okay? Can y'all tell I'm hydrated? I told my husband, I said, when I'm hydrated, I'm even sillier than I normally am. And that's a lot. All right, guys, that is it. Remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.